Go ahead and leave. Go be in traffic.
Hey guys, it's Kay, of course. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I apply and style this wig I was sent from Wiggins Hair Company. Just in case any of you guys are interested, I'm going to go ahead and leave all the links in my description box. So they went ahead and sent me over their highlighted lace frontal wig. I have it in 250% density and it is 30 inches. It's also a 13 by 4 wig, and I'm just showing you the construction, which is your normal construction: 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, and adjustable straps. So right here, this is how long the hair is. Do y'all see this color? First off, I really love the color and the thickness. This wig is really full. Right here, I already went ahead and cut off my lace. Now, I did go in and pluck the hairline. The hairline does come pre-plucked, but it wasn't plucked good enough for me, so I went in and plucked it some more. I also went ahead and bleached my knots because the knots are not bleached. Now, if you don't want to bleach the knots or you don't know how, you can always go in with concealer or finishing powder to make the wig look a little bit more natural. So right here, I'm adding my Got To Be glue to tack my lace down. And I know a lot of people ask me how I wear my hair under my wigs. I actually wear my hair in a slick ponytail towards the back. But this time for this install, I did go ahead and braid my hair back, like straight back. I have about 6 braids in my hair. And actually, I like my ponytail better because with the braids, I feel like when I put my hair in the middle, it, like, you can see, to me, you can see the braids. Like, it doesn't lay as flat as I want it to lay. I'm all stuttering. I forgot to mention that this is the hair after it's been washed, because like I said, I did go ahead and bleach my knots. So of course I washed the hair and I let it air dry, and this is basically how it air dried. And as you can see, this wig is really full and thick. So when they say 250% density, definitely believe it, because this is a lot of hair. And right here, I was just reparting the hair because once I put it on, I noticed that my part was a little off-centered. So I went back and fixed that. Now right here on, what side is that? On my right side, my braid is kind of right there. And if I didn't point it out, you probably wouldn't be able to even notice it. But it was a braid right there, and I felt like my right side, it's actually my left side, but you looking at it, it's my right side, was not laying as flat as the other side. But anywho, now I'm taking my finishing powder and I'm just putting it on my hairline just so it can blend in a little bit more better. And y'all, we moving on to my favorite part, okay? So I'm not really going to do too much talking. If it's really not necessary, y'all can just watch the slay. To lay my edges, I did go in and use my Nairobi styling foam. However, I use so many other products besides this. I do use my Eco Styler gel sometimes. I use my Got To Be glue gel sometimes, and I use my my edge control to boost edge control. So I really don't have a preference, really. Kinda, sorta. I mean, I do use the Nairobi styling foam because I feel like it doesn't leave my edges really crunchy. Now, it still leaves them in place, so you could brush them out afterwards, but I just leave them because I just feel like sometimes I leave them or sometimes I brush it out. It just all depends on how I feel, y'all. Moving along to styling this wig. Did y'all see how I pulled up my sleeves? I really was not playing. So before I went in and curled this hair, I did go off camera and cut layers mostly towards the front of my face. I feel like when you put curls in a wig or hair in general, you want to cut some layers in there because it just makes the curls lay so much more better. It makes it look more layered, more stacked. Now, I'm not saying that you have to cut layers in your hair when you curl them, but if you're looking for a specific or a certain type of look like I am, definitely cut some layers in the hair. Now, if you don't know how to cut layers, I suggest you learn, okay? Now, I do have a video of me cutting layers, but that was a couple years ago. I probably do need to do a more updated video. So yeah, sorry if you wanted to see me cut some layers in this hair, but this is not that video. Anyway, the curler I'm using is from Ulta. What is this? The Babyless curler. I think this is in 2 inches if I'm not mistaken. But that's basically what I'm using in this video to achieve these curls. Keep in mind, I'm curling away from the face. I feel like this is a very important step, especially for me, just because I know how I like my hair. I know how I want this look to turn out. So I do it for this side and I do it for the other side as well. And you know how when you got curls, you just can't wait to see what it looks like brushed out? That's me. So this is actually what this side looks like brushed out. And I'm basically just seeing if I cut my layers right and it's falling how I want it to. Overall, I really love this wig, you guys, and I definitely love this color. I feel like it really complements my skin tone. Now, as far as tangling and shedding, when I washed this hair, I did get a few strands of hair, but overall, the wig is holding up so nice, and as you can see, it takes a curl so good, y'all. And when I say I went all day in this wig and the curls, they fell a little bit, but for the most part they stayed intact, to the point that when I took this wig off, the curls was still in there. Mind you, from the beginning of the video, you saw how full and thick this hair was. It almost looked like a yaki texture. And you see when I put the heat on it, it gets really silky smooth. I really love that. This hair is definitely good quality hair. Mind you, I think that this is probably like maybe my second or third time working with Wiggins hair, and they never disappoint, y'all. And here are my end results. I really love the way this hair turned out. The curls are so beautiful along with this bomb color, y'all. Like I said, if any of you guys are interested in this wig, I'm going to go ahead and leave all the links in my description box. You guys let me know what you think. Are y'all feeling this? Are y'all feeling the color? Woo, check that out, y'all. Girl, that looks so good. Oh, can't forget the spray. Gotta spray it, y'all, so them curls can last a little bit longer and to get them flyaways down. But bye, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Love you.